Hello everyone, welcome to this next video. In this video we shall see a question from GATE 2009 consisting of 1 mark. The question says if f of z is given to be a function of this kind, that means we have f of z as 1 plus z square plus up to z raised to power 15. This is the given function f of z, and they are saying what is the integration of this whole function over this closed curve C, where the curve C is defined using this relation. So that means this is a circle, and the general equation for circle is of this form, where A is the corresponding center and R is the corresponding radius of that circle. In our case, the center is given to be iota, so that means we have a center at this point 0, 1, and the radius here is given to be 2. This is given to be 2, so we have a region of this kind drawn like this in the anti-clockwise direction. The direction is taken to be the anti-clockwise direction. So here we need to find the integration of this whole function fz divided by z minus iota raised to power 15 corresponding to this curve C. So now in order to calculate the integration, we need to check whether this whole function is defined and is analytic in this given region or not. So in order to do that, what we do, we check the denominator, which is z minus iota raised to power 15, whether this is equal to 0 at some points or not. So clearly this point at z is equal to iota forms a pole. This is a pole, and the order of this pole is 15. Why 15? Because here you can see the power 15 here, so you have factors z minus iota 15 times in the denominator, right? So we found z is equal to iota is a pole of order 15, and obviously this point lies inside this region. So we have to calculate the residue at this point zi. So according to this theorem, residue theorem, it says if any function is analytic inside and on a simple curve C except at a finite number of points, say these are the number of points. In our case we have only iota as a point where the function is not defined, then the residue at that point is if they are denoted by a minus 1, b minus 1, c minus 1, then the integration is simply given by 2 pi iota multiplied by the sum of residues. So this is the formula, right? So here we are to calculate residue at the point z is equal to iota. So in order to calculate this residue, we will use this result. It says that if we have any analytic function which is analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C except at a pole A, so our pole A here is iota and it is of order m, so A is iota and m is 15, it is of order 15, then the residue of that function is calculated using this formula. So we here we have to perform this integration over C of the function fz divided by z minus iota raised to power 15 dz. So this would be equivalent to 2 pi iota and multiplied by the residue of the function at this point, and the residue calculated at the point z is equal to iota. So we have to first calculate this residue at this point, so it would be calculated using this formula. So here we would have limit z goes to iota and m is 15, so we have 1 upon 14 factorial, and then the 14th we'll take the derivative with respect to z 14 times of the function z minus iota raised to power 15. And what was our fz? Our fz was the function f of z divided by z minus iota raised to power 15. So this whole function was our f of z. So here you see this function cancels with this function, and what was our f of z? F of z was given to be the series of this kind 1 plus z square up to z raised to power 15, right? And we have to take the derivative of this particular function 14 times, and whatever is the resultant you will multiply that by 1 upon 14 factorial, and then take the limit z going to iota, and then multiply this whole thing with 2 pi iota. So when you take the derivative of this function, what will you get? You will get limit z goes to iota as such, you will get 14 factorial plus 15 factorial multiplied by z. So this is the by taking the derivative of this function 14 times. So ultimately this 14 factorial and 14 factorial cancels, so you are only left with 1 plus 15 z. So we can now directly substitute the limits. The limit is iota, z goes to iota, so we have this as the final result. So the integration of the corresponding function comes out to be 2 pi iota multiplied by 1 plus 15 iota. So that is our answer. So accordingly, option A comes out to be the correct option. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.